Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this session in our ongoing series on the Forensic Accounting and Investigation Standards issued by the icai. Today, we focus on FAIS 330, Conducting Work Procedures, which deals with the actual execution phase of a forensic assignment. The core activity, where evidence is gathered, analyzed, and interpreted using structured techniques. FAIS 330 outlines the responsibilities of forensic professionals in carrying out investigative tasks in a manner that is professional, systematic, and aligned with the engagement plan. First topic is Objective of FAIS 330. The primary objective of FAIS 330 is to ensure that work procedures are executed appropriately and effectively so that findings are based on sufficient and appropriate evidence. This standard serves as a guide to apply forensic techniques, validate findings, and maintain investigative rigor throughout the assignment. Next topic is Scope of Work Procedures. AF AIS 330 outlines the range of work procedures that a forensic professional may be required to perform. Data gathering and validation. Interviews and interrogations. Digital evidence collection. Financial and transactional analysis, background checks and link analysis, behavioral and circumstantial analysis. Each procedure must be purposeful, i.e., tied to the objectives, justifiable, i.e., not fishing expeditions, documented, i.e., reproducible and reviewable. Now we will discuss key principles for conducting procedures. First, professional judgment and skepticism. Professionals must apply critical thinking and not accept facts at face value. Second, alignment with engagement. Plan work procedures must follow the scope, objectives, and methodology outlined in the planning stage. FAIS 310. Third, dynamic and adaptive execution procedures should remain flexible. If new findings emerge, professionals should re-evaluate and adapt their methods accordingly. Fourth, objectivity and independence. The forensic professional must avoid bias and ensure neutrality in execution and documentation. Next, we are going to discuss examples of work procedures. Here are common techniques and how they are applied. First, document examination. Analyze financial statements, contracts, invoices, or emails for alterations, irregularities, and anomalies. Second, digital forensics. Examine system logs, recover deleted files, or trace internet usage using forensic tools. Third, transactional analysis. Identify suspicious transactions, round-tripping, layering of funds, and unusual journal entries. Fourth, interviewing stakeholders. Conduct structured interviews with employees or third parties, ensuring neutrality and proper documentation. Fifth, data correlation and triangulation. Cross-verify financial data with physical evidence or third-party confirmations. Next topic is documentation during procedures. FAIS 330 emphasizes the need to maintain detailed working papers, checklists and test matrices, interview notes and transcripts, audit trail of each step and decision. All procedures and findings must be traceable, reviewable, and reproducible. Now we will discuss legal and ethical considerations. When conducting procedures, forensic professionals must respect legal boundaries and data privacy norms, avoid entrapment or coercive tactics during interviews, maintain chain of custody when handling physical or digital evidence. Ensure procedural fairness in dealing with all parties. It's time for practical example. Scenario: a company suspects insider trading based on information leaks before earnings announcements. FAIS 330 in action. Obtain and review internal communication logs and access records. Identify unusual trading patterns via analysis of trading data. Interview employees with access to sensitive information. Correlate data access timelines with trading events. Maintain records of all findings with corresponding supporting evidence. Now its key takeaways for professionals. FAIS 330 is about doing the work right, following a clear, disciplined process. The execution of procedures must be systematic, justified, and transparent. Forensic professionals must balance investigative agility with methodological integrity. The standard enforces accountability and traceability at every step of the investigation. Time for conclusion. To conclude, FAIS 330. Conducting work procedures transforms your forensic plan into actionable steps that yield credible, professional, and legally defensible results. Whether it's examining documents, conducting interviews, or analyzing data, your ability to perform and document these procedures will define the quality and reliability of your forensic engagements. As aspiring forensic professionals, always remember, thoroughness, discipline, and objectivity are your greatest tools. Thank you for joining this session. Stay tuned as we continue exploring other FAIS standards.